So make the phone call. The number is 1-800-LAWLINK. It's now time for us to take your immigration questions on the radio. The number to call is 888-317-2346, 888-31-RADIO, 888-31-RADIO. Call us right now. We'll answer your immigration questions on air. Let's just get to the calls right here, right now, and we'll turn this up. We're also streaming at www.4immigration.com. You can also catch Spar and Bernstein on Facebook and Twitter at Spar Bernstein, and also, of course, on their blog, you can pop your questions, ask any questions at sblawlink.com. Let's go to the first call. Hello, caller. How are you today? I'm wonderful, sir. Can you speak up for me, please?
Yeah, can I speak with Brad?
Yes, you can.
Absolutely. Go ahead.
Hi, Brad.
Hey, how are you?
I came here on a visa. I was trying to process my green card. But I'm married to a green card holder. I did this within a year, and they sent me a letter 2 weeks ago said the above petition has been approved.
How long has she had her green card?
Well, she's 30 and she's there from about 4 years.
7 years?
No, she has about 20. She is 30 now. She came here from she was about 4.
Okay. Well, let me ask you a question. Is her mother and father citizens?
Yes.
Were her mother and father citizens before she was 18?
No.
No. Well, why don't she file for her naturalization? It takes about 4 to 5 months, and she's been here since she was 4 years old. I mean, she's as much a citizen as I am, except, I don't remember my birth to 4. I mean, she has as much a right to be a citizen as anybody, I would think, and would want to, I would assume. Let her file for her citizenship. It takes about 4 to 5 months, and then I can upgrade the petition, and you can adjust your status and get your green card. It's the way it's going to have to work out.
Did you get that?
Okay, thanks, Brad.
All right, no problem.
All right.
Once again, folks, this is the Immigration Link. It's where we answer your immigration questions on air. And that is Link Up Radio with Squeeze. The number to call is 888-317-2346. Call us now, 888-31-RADIO. Let's go to another call here on the Immigration Link with the attorney, Brad Bernstein. And remember, yes, the offices are open, and the number to call is 1-800-LAWLINK. I wish Mr. Bernstein would extend his opening hours tonight, seeing that he was not open yesterday. But you never know. All right, 1-800-LAW-LINK. Hello, caller. How are you?
Hi, I'm great. How are you?
I am wonderful today. Hopefully life is good for you. What is your question, my darling, for Mr. Bernstein?
Okay, my question is, my father has been married, well, he had a 2-year green card, and it expired 5 years ago. And his wife, she does not want anything to do with it anymore. She, want to get a divorce and everything. And I just got my 2-year green card through my husband. I got it 3 months ago. And I want to find out how can we get him his green card.
Well, he has to do a divorce. He should divorce his wife as quickly as possible, and then let him file a late application to remove the conditions of his permanent residence, prove he's divorced, prove that it was a real marriage. If things don't work out that way, then once you're a citizen, you could always refile for him. But that's the way I would proceed right now. The wife wants a divorce? Great. Let's give it to her. Let's get that divorce as quickly as possible. Let's get his application in, a late application to remove his conditions. Once I get that late application in, his green card is extended. So he's back with a temporary green card until they make a decision on that case.
Okay, thanks so much.
All right.
I appreciate it.
Thank you so much for listening, and spread the word that we're here each and every day. All right?
And by the way, do you know what number to call?
Do you know what number?
Pardon me?
Do you know what number to call?
Yes, I do. I will set an appointment immediately.
Okay. What's the number?
All right. It's 1-800-LAWLINK.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You pass.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Once again, folks, it is Link Up Radio 93.5 FM it is, and you can catch us at linkupradio.com. We have another call right here with Mr. Brad Bernstein.
Yes.
Okay. By the way, I got a speeding ticket out in your community.
When?
Day before yesterday.
On the Grand Central. Northern
It wasn't
State.
Grand Central. It was one of those southern states.
Southern State. That's not my community.
State Trooper.
I live on the North Shore.
Black State Trooper.
Jamaican guy.
You want to hit? I was about to say the ironic thing. It was a Jamaican State
right.
Trooper.
And then when he saw...
Put his 2 fingers in his pants and he said, "You know I'm going to give you a ticket for doing 77 miles an hour, right?" With his strong Jamaican accent, just to let me understand that he was a yardie. Right. Like, brother, you know you can do better than that. I'll see you in court. Like, God damn, man.
Tough guy.
Tough guy. You know, like because you think you're black and Jamaican like me, you're getting off. Anyway.
Well, you thought maybe for a second.
I thought for a second that he would actually reduce the
Right,
speed
you thought
limit.
maybe. All right, so say I was doing 67, to 65. You had to give me the full 77, but yes, he did it.
Yeah. You gotta say, well, thanks for doing your job.
Well, he is. He's doing his
Yeah,
job.
he's
That's
doing-
properly doing his job.
And I
You know what?
respect him.
People actually, I think, at some point.
He wasn't nasty or anything. It was
Somebody
doing
would
his
get
job.
upset.
Right.
All right. Why would a guy, because he's Jamaican, get off? And a guy who, like me, if I got pulled over,
He
I would
wasn't
have given me
prejudiced.
77.
He wasn't prejudiced or biased
He was
at
just
all.
nothing.
He's just
He's doing his job. You can't complain about that.
You're getting a ticket for
Right,
77
you can't
miles.
complain about that.
Yeah, I did complain though. I was like, could you have made it a little bit less?
I'll see you in court.
I'll see you in court.
Don't tell
Anyway.
me. So this is another job for us?
Yes, that's another one.
Yeah.
Me and the driving situation.
Yeah.
Oh man, I can't win.
By the way, start reminding me. I have to let my billing department know to start sending you bills for all your legal.
Start reminding me that it's
Yeah.
been a few years now,
Yeah.
and we haven't had a sit-down meeting. Quite a few years.
Interestingly, because
3 years, 8 months,
Interestingly, because
14 days,
Interestingly,
and
because my accountant
15
tells me
hours.
every year link up goes up, so I don't even know how that could happen.
No. Doesn't tell you. Anyway, let's take another call. Hello, caller. How are you?
Hey, Brad. Hey,
How you doing?
It's top of the day to you guys. How are you?
Good.
Okay.
Good. I have a real quick question, Brad. I'm calling on behalf of a friend.
You gotta speak up.
Yeah, speak up a little bit.
Yes. Okay. He's a pretty young guy, mid-20s. He married an older woman.
Right.
They had an interview. It was denied. They appealed. They got the immigration got the receipt, and now they're waiting to hear again from them, from immigration. But I'm a little bit doubtful with the situation, considering the age difference and also that the wife is on government assistance.
Well, if the wife's on government assistance, if it's like food stamps or Medicaid, he's not getting through. Okay, that's number one. Number two, because there's an age difference, there's plenty of people who live age differences. Yes, that may put up a red flag that they'll say, hey, what's up with this age difference? It's the same thing when you come in with different races, different religions, husband and wife. They'll be a little more suspect of that marriage. That doesn't mean it's not a real marriage. There's plenty of people with different age relationships, all right, who are in true relationships. Is that true or not true, Squeeze?
That is absolutely
Right.
true.
Okay, so and there are different ethnics, right?
And-
ethnic
and
backgrounds
and
of people.
religion.
And religion.
Right.
So that doesn't mean it's not a real relationship. It just means that they'll probably give that person a little bit of a harder time.
What
but
about
if they
creed?
live together,
What about creed?
Yeah, they do. They do live together.
what do you mean? What about creed?
Race, color, ethnicity, creed, religion.
Right. All of them.
Yeah. There's one though. No one of the same sex.
No.
Right.
Correct.
We have had that situation.
Yes. But if they're concerned or you're concerned, the best thing to do is let them come into me with their file. Let me review what's been going on, and then I can advise them what they should be doing.
Honestly-
if it's a real marriage, they shouldn't be scared to go through the process.
Yeah.
If it's not a real marriage,
Then
and
they should be.
then they should be terrified to go through the process, and that's really the bottom line.
And they shouldn't be doing that. And
That's
to be
right.
honest with you, I think the best thing is for them to come in and see Brad Bernstein. If it is real, I know that Brad will make it happen. If it is a real, true, in-love marriage, all right. But if it's
I've
not,
been encouraging him to come.
then they have nothing to be scared of. They have nothing to be
It's
scared of. if
$80.
it's true.
It's worth the $80.
It's
It's
worth
only
the
$80 for the month.
Yeah,
I
it's
lowered
worth the
it from
consultation.
80 to 120.
So tell them that
120 to 80.
Squeeze said that they should come in. All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much
No
for tuning in.
problem.
All right. Bye bye.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you.